So if you're watching this one today, if you clicked on this video, it's probably because you are experiencing sciatica or pain in your sciatic nerve. And the sciatic nerve is actually the largest nerve in your body. It is formed by the root of 5 nerves, and it starts in your lower back, in your lumbar spine, and then it runs all the way through your buttocks on both sides, and then down the back of your legs, all the way into your feet. And if you have ever had sciatica, and I totally feel your pain, you know how unpleasant it is because you are sitting on that nerve. If it becomes inflamed or injured or compressed, and it hurts all the way down your leg, it can hurt even in the bottom of your foot or your heel. That can just be absolutely miserable. Now, there are some interesting emotional causes that are under this. And you're going, well, maybe it's just my back. Well, maybe, but stay with me here and do this tapping. We're going to use some mind-body tools here to help get out of the pain from having that nerve hurt. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Now, as with all my work, before you can tap with me, you do need to click show more below this video. That means you have read my disclaimer at the bottom and agreed if you're going to tap with me. And I also, when you click show more, have some things for you there. I have a free gift. I have an invitation to my Facebook group. I have information about my private membership group, Breakthrough, where I work live, and a whole bunch of good stuff. So you can click on that, pause me if you need to. I'm not going to start without you because I want to help you get out of this pain. Okay, so there are 2 different things that I have seen, both in myself and with clients, that are usually the things that set this nerve problem off. And I really want you to feel better, so I'm going to address both of those in this video. Both of them. So we're going to do this tapping in 2 parts. Now, I want you to close your eyes for just a moment. Close your eyes. Take a big breath in through your nose and hold it. And blow it out. And now gently, with your eyes closed, I want you to gauge where your pain level is right now. And it may be on one side, it may be on your right or your left side, or it may be on both. I've actually had it on both sides at the same time. It was a whole lot of fun. But I want you to give that pain, that discomfort, a number between 0 and 10, with 10 being agony. I hope you're not there, and 0 being no pain at all. Go ahead and assign it a number just in your head. Just make note of that. Okay, good. All right, now take a breath, blow it out, and open your eyes. Okay, stay with me here. Even if you feel better from the first part of this, you've got to do both parts. I promise you, both of these things are things you need. So let's tap. There's so many things going on in the world right now. And I can't help but pay attention to some of that. And a lot of it is unsettling. But I choose to be okay anyway. Even though there are a lot of things happening in my life right now. A lot of change. I completely love and accept myself. And I'm open to shifting my perspective about this now. Okay, top of the head. When I see all of these things happening in the world, I can't help but be concerned. And when I started to be concerned, it made me worry a little bit about money. A lot of things swirling around and happening. And I got overly worried about this. And now I've got all this pain running down my leg. Oh, that can't be connected. That's just silly. But I do know that I've been concerned about money. I've been obsessing about it a little bit. And I may have forgotten to connect with my inner wisdom that always reminds me that I'm safe. I give myself permission to understand that when I allow myself to be overly concerned about money, the very act of worrying about it causes me to disconnect from the part of me that is creative, the part of me that can find solutions to problems. When I disconnect from that and worry, it's because I'm afraid. It doesn't feel good to be afraid around money. And now I've got all this pain in my leg. I wonder if there are actually solutions to my problems that I haven't been able to fully appreciate because I was too busy worrying. I lost my objectivity. And because I hung on to this for so long, it turned up in my sciatic nerve. That is my very wise body saying, hey, you, stop it. So I give myself permission to relax now. I am grateful for this wake-up call. I allow myself to relax, to release the pain in my leg, to release all the pain from my sciatic nerve. Relaxing and releasing now. Relaxing and releasing all the pain in my nerve. It's safe to let it go. I forgive myself for needing this reminder to reconnect with my inner wisdom. It's okay. And I'm okay. And I profoundly love and accept myself. And I love my sciatic nerve. Peace. Okay, now I want you to close your eyes, wiggle around a little bit, stand up and move if you need to, pause me if you want to. Here. And check and see if that changed your pain number. Okay. Now we're going to do some more tapping because we're not done yet. As I said, there's more than one thing that gets stuck there. Drink of water here. Okay. So I hope your number is dropping. It may have dropped a little bit. It may have dropped a lot. You can always come back and do this again. All right, let's move into another round. I don't always think that the same things that apply to others apply to me, which kind of makes me a little bit of a hypocrite. But I choose to be okay anyway. Even though I can help others by telling them things that will make them feel better, I don't always do the same things myself. But I do completely love and accept myself. And I'm open to shifting my perspective on this now because I love myself. Okay, top of the head. I'm a little bit of a hypocrite sometimes. And I allow myself to forgive myself. I choose to understand that I've been doing my best. And that sometimes when I'm not doing the same thing that I think others should, it might be because I feel that I am somehow exempt from needing to do that. But usually the reason is something deeper than that. The real big reason with it is probably that I don't feel that I deserve the same loving care and attention that others deserve. And so I've cut myself off from that. And now I've got all this sciatic nerve pain. There are things that I need to let go of. I'm worried about doing that. But if I don't let go of the old things, there's not room to receive new, better things. Allow myself to relax. I choose to understand that I am worthy and deserving of the same care, the same love as any other person on the planet. Even though sometimes I disconnect myself from that. I allow myself to relax and release all the pain from my sciatic nerve, all of the inflammation. It's safe to let go of being angry with myself. And it's safe to let go of being afraid that maybe I don't deserve. I completely love and accept myself. I choose to fill my sciatic nerve with love, with peace and calm and devotion to myself, because I do deserve it. I completely love and accept myself, and I love my sciatic nerve. Peace. Okay, check in again. Close your eyes, check in, see where your pain level is. You may need to come back and do this one again. I hope you're seeing it drop. It may take more than once. You may need more than just this, but this should give you a good start. So I hope you're feeling better. And please do take a moment to like this video and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I ask that for a reason. It's not just to get more subscribers. YouTube's algorithm, because I help people who are in pain, their algorithm causes them to show my video work to more people, expose more people to it who've maybe never seen it or heard of this based on the number of subscribers I have. So taking a couple seconds to subscribe to me here may cause somebody else to get the help they needed that day. I think that's a pretty great reason. So I am queuing up the next video for not loving yourself. It'll be in the top right-hand corner. There'll be a little icon, and it's also going to be in the comment, not the comments, but when you click show more below this video. I really recommend that you go do that next after this one. I've got lots of videos here, lots of help for you. Thank you for doing this work for me, with me, good grief, for me. Yes, I feel better too, because I get to tap with you. Thank you so much. And I'll see you again soon. Mwah.